Come test drive the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, Bluetooth, air conditioning, moonroof, dual airbags, alloy wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.